So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very interesting video and also a very special video because guys, today I am gonna talk about how you can tell a story in a short way, in a long way. We know that there are two ways to explain something. One way is a short way and the another way is long way. So guys, let's start the video and let's start our topic. So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very important, beneficial and also another kind of a video because guys, today I'm gonna talk about how to make a story short and how to make the same story very long. Yes, everyone knows that we can speak something in two ways. Okay, first one is short way and the second one is long way. So guys, today I am gonna talk about that, how you can explain something first of all in a very short way and then the same story or the same incident in the long way. Yes guys, it is gonna be very well. You can see I am in the Nishchintapur railway bridge. Yes guys, many people ask me that where this railway bridge is. Yes guys, I wanna tell that it is in the Nishchintapur. So guys, Nishchintapur is in Agartala. So you can see the field and also everywhere the birds they are chirping and it is the morning time. That's why guys, the sun rising also looking very nice. So guys, that's why I tell always try to enjoy the morning because there are many things that you can learn from the morning time. So now guys, let's start the video. I will talk about A to Z, how you can explain something in a short way, in a long way, and I also will give you example of a very famous story. I'll not waste your time. So now let's go, and guys, at the end I will also tell you the benefits of it, which is very important to listen, and it is very important, and also it is a very important topic guys. That's why I am gonna tell you this topic. I'm gonna explain you, I'm gonna understand you with a very famous and a best example. The example is a story. So first of all, I will tell you a story. The story's name is The Hare and the Tortoise. The Hare and the Tortoise is a very famous story. Everyone knows that, and guys, today I'm gonna do that. And also there are many morals out there that I always tell everyone, that you don't have to go fast, just keep going. You don't have to go fast, just keep going. And also if you are talking to an elder, then it also can be that for your motivation they also tell you the story in a short way, in a short sentences. Like, do you hear that there was a rabbit and the tortoise? The rabbit is very fast, the tortoise is very slow, but in the race of the faster and the slower wins. It is also the thing because the slower just keep going, keep doing that. So it means a short way. So guys, today I am gonna explain you all of the things and in a long way also. Now guys, the thing that you are gonna learn from the both of the things, it's the sentences, it's the words. So guys, it is very important. So let's start the video, let's start the stories. And also when you are gonna speak, when you are gonna tell a story in a long way, then guys, your sentences will be increased. And also when you will tell the same story in the short way, then also your words will be like new. You can get more new words because there are many similar words of the English language. I think one word has more 5, 10, 16, 24 and also more words, more similar words. That's why English is very complicated language guys. So now let's start. First of all, I will tell you the story in a short way and then I will tell you the story in a long way, and then after telling the story in the both of ways, I will also will give you what is the benefits of it. So guys, just first of all think that it is a practice, because if you do the practice, if you learn to speak anything in a short way or in a long way, then guys you can do a lot. So let's start the now guys, I'm gonna tell you the story in the short way, which is very short. It's gonna be, and guys, a tip that I want to tell everyone: if you want to tell a story shortly, if you want to tell any another incidents or anything in a short way, then guys, just stop adding the another sentence. Okay, you have a topic in your brain, you have a topic, what is going on, just try to tell it. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you the story, the hairy and the tortoise, in a short way. First of all, try to listen it very carefully, and then I will tell you how I make it more shorter. So one day there were two great friends, the hairy and the tortoise. But one day when they were playing, the hairy said to the tortoise that, "Hey tortoise, look at you, how slower you are, and then look at me, I am the fastest animal in the whole jungle." And then the tortoise also felt very upset. That's why in the anger the tortoise said the hairy that, "Okay, I am very slow and you are very fast, then let's do a race, we can correct." And then the hairy was laughing, and after few moments they started the race. They selected their starting part and also pointed the ending part, and then the race started. The hairy ran in very fast movements, and then after few years the hairy looked behind and saw the tortoise was very far from him. And then after few moments the hairy thought that, "I should take some rest, the tortoise is very slow and he will come in that place, I will start my journey again." And then that's why the hairy just sat down under a shady tree, and after a moment he fell asleep. And then when he was sleeping, the tortoise saw the hairy, that the hairy was sleeping, the hairy was resting, but the tortoise didn't stop. And after a moment, when the tortoise was about to touch the winning part, the hairy woke up and saw that the tortoise won the match. So guys, it is the story, and the moral of the story is that you don't have to go fast, you have to just keep going. In your life, many things will be, many people will come in your life who are very faster than you. But remember, don't think that they are faster, I am very slower, that's why they will win all of the race in their life. No, just set up your goal and then go. Okay, work for your goal, not run for your goal. And now guys, let's go to our long part. Long way. I want to tell everyone that if you want to explain something in a long way, then guys, you have to do one thing, you have to follow one thing, and this thing is just try to add sentences. Okay, we have a stock topic in our brain, which is our own, which in we have to tell everything, we have to tell the story, we have to tell the topic. But guys, you have the thing, but try to add something more, new thing, like twisting thing. Like now I am telling you the story, just try to understand what I did in the short way. I just told you the story very freely in a very short way, with using short simple words. But guys, I want to tell everyone that if you want to learn more better, then guys, you have to explain all of the thing. Like just try to understand that when I was coming here, I saw a boy. What we do, we just tell that I saw a boy. But guys, no, try to explain the boy also. When I was coming there, when I was coming here with my father in the scooty, then I saw a boy. The boy was taking a bag and he was going to his master home. So guys, this simple thing, if you can do it, then I want to tell literally that every sentence will be more good, you can make them more longer. You don't have to do anything, just explain what's gonna and be in your like story. So now I am gonna tell you the story, just try to understand and just try to listen it. Once upon a time, in a very big and shady jungle, there were two friends, the hairy and the tortoise. Their friendship was very, very strong and great in the whole jungle. But the fact was that the hairy always make fun with the tortoise. The hairy always said to the tortoise that, "Hey tortoise, look at you, you are so fast. If anyone just tickled you, and then you also can't just capture them, they will run away, but you can't also run. You will just work and work." I am very confused that your like everyone in your generation there is also very slow like you. So for that, the tortoise was always upset from the hairy. But what he can do? The hairy was also one of his old and one of his childhood friend. That's why he could not say anything to the hairy. But one day when the hairy was talking and making fun of the tortoise in front of the whole jungle, then the tortoise also felt very, very angry and he was very upset also. That's why in front of everyone the tortoise said the hairy very confidently and motivately that, "Hey Harry, first of all, just try to look at you and look at me. And I know that you are very faster and I am very slower. So okay, just let's do a race. And with the help of the race, we also can correct ourselves and we can understand who is more faster and who is more slower." So that's why the hairy and the tortoise, they just decided to do a race. And then the hairy was also very confident and he was also very angry that how his childhood friend can say it like that in front of the whole jungle. And the tortoise was also very, very fear, because like the tortoise said the hairy very confidently in front of the whole jungle, but the tortoise was also knew that who was stronger. But everyone in the whole jungle, they announced that tomorrow morning the hairy and the tortoise, they are gonna run very, very fast and they also will do a race. And then next morning when the sun rised up, then the hairy and the tortoise with the every animal of the jungle, they decided and point out the starting and the ending point. Okay, the starting point was near about a river and the ending was upwards of the mountain. And then they started the race. Every animal, they shouted and started cheering the hairy that, "Hairy, you can do it, you can do it. The tortoise will fail this match." But the tortoise was also very confident and he decided that he is never gonna stop. So then the race started. The hairy was in very anger. That's why he ran so fast that he also didn't look behind. Everyone was very shocked. And then the hairy jumped, the hairy ran, and then after a few moments, after 1 or 2 minutes, the hairy went and reached the middle point of their match. And then when the hairy looked behind, he saw the tortoise was very far from him, means the middle part also. He was just near about starting point. And that's why when the hairy looked near and there, he saw a very, very beautiful shady tree. And that's why the hairy was also very tired, because it was the first time that he ran so fast. That's why he sat under the tree. He was thinking, so let the tortoise come in front of me. When the tortoise will come, then I will show him that who is faster and who is slower, with the help of, and because because of his overconfidence, the hairy slept after a moment. But the tortoise, he did not stop for a minute also. He was just walking, he was going here and there. And then after a long time, after near about 1 or 2 hours, the tortoise reached near the hairy. And then the tortoise looked at the Harry. The Harry was sleeping. That's why the tortoise also didn't wake him up. And then the tortoise started going again and again. And then after a long time, as about the tortoise touched the ending part, the Harry woke up. He was very, very in danger, and also the Harry wasn't very afraid. He thought that, oh, if the tortoise he won the match, then everyone will make fun with me, and now what I'm gonna do? And then that's why the Harry ran so fast. He just put his strength, his quickest in the whole match, but he did not win the match. The Harry touched the ending point and everyone started cheering. The tortoise touched the ending point and everyone started to cheering the tortoise. And then after a few moments, the tortoise said to the Harry that, my friend, just remember that you don't have to go far, just keep going. He was in a very quick and he was thinking that you will show me how is faster. That's why you put down your whole strength in the middle part, and that's why you could not just do the second part. So guys, it is the thing. Then the story is also in. Now the story is also in the short part and the long part. I think everyone understood that only one thing you have to follow, and this thing is that in the short part, just speak without adding a lot. Okay, just speak in a short. There are two. Just try to explain the topic, okay, the simple topic of the story, but in the long part just try to add, okay, add the sentences, add the words, new words, new sentences. Or the best exercise that I'm gonna give you, it is just try to explain the characters of the story. Then guys, it will be more good for you. So just remember it and go on. It is also a very great practice, as I told you, that when you will tell a story, when you will speak, when you will share a story in a short part, okay, in a short way, then guys, you also are gonna learn a lot, because we everyone, what we observe, what we see a story is, we also try to speak the story as well. But no guys, it is yours. The English language is mine. So that's why I want to do whatever I will do. So guys, now this thing that I want to tell you, and then when you will also tell a story in a long way, then your speaking style will be grow up. You also can practice with a simple single story for a long time. And also it is another practice guys, if you want to practice the English more goodly, more well, then I will give you another practice, that take a quotes, and then with the help of the quotes, first try to explain the quotes in a short way, and then try to explain the quote in a brief way. Okay, you don't have to do anything guys, I am telling again and again, just try to put words together and also try to explain it more better. First of all, you also are a new beginner, I'm also a beginner, that's why you have to write something. Okay, what is your story? First of all, write the story in the short way in your notebook or in your copy in your mother tongue, and then write the same story in a long way, in a brief way in your copy. And then after doing that, just try to translate it. After 2 or 3 stories, then you can automatically will able to do anything. So guys, it is the thing. And now guys, I want to tell everyone that bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. It was a great video, it was a great topic guys. So guys, remember it and then do it. You don't have to do guys anything, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because with the help of hitting bell icon you can get all our notification of the videos. Thank you for watching. Please guys, like and give a supportable comment. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video.